Olá pessoal, hello everyone, welcome back to your Portuguese. I'm Diogo and today we are embarking on a numerical adventure as we explore the world of numbers and counting in Brazilian Portuguese. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this lesson is for you. Vamos lá, let's get started. First, let's tackle the basics. Repeat after me. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. These are the numbers 0 to 10 in Portuguese. Moving on, we have 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Practice these as they form the foundation for the next set of numbers. And if you'd like to have some extra resource to practice your Portuguese, you can click on the link in the description, where you can find and download PDF files about different topics to improve your Portuguese. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's explore the multiples of 10. Repeat after me. 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. These are the tens in Portuguese. But before we continue, do you know who is responsible for the growth of this channel? Yes, exactly. You. I make these videos about the Portuguese language and about the Brazilian culture because I believe that they will help you and that you will have a good time watching them. So, if you have enjoyed this video so far, I'd like to ask you to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will help us a lot, not only to grow the channel, but also to keep making good and fun videos especially for you. Thank you so much, and let's go back to the video. When we move into the hundreds and thousands, the pattern becomes straightforward. For example, 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 1000, 1000. Notice how 100 is used for 100 and 1000 for 1000. To express large numbers, we continue the pattern. For example, 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000, and so on. It's like building blocks. Now let's talk about ordinal numbers. Instead of saying you say primeiro. Primeiro. Instead of dois, you say segundo. Segundo. And so on. Have you already watched our video about the ordinal numbers in Portuguese? If not, make sure to watch it, so you can learn and use this very important component of the Brazilian Portuguese language. It's practice time. In the comments below, try writing out your age in Portuguese or any random number you'd like. I'll check your answers and provide feedback. Great job everyone! That concludes our lesson on numbers and counting in Brazilian Portuguese. We covered basic numbers, multiples of 10, hundreds, thousands, and even ordinal numbers. If you found this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language content. If you have specific topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Até mais! See you in the next video.